Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Honor 50 Lite. Firstly, open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder button. If you don't have this button here we got pencil, so tap. And then scroll down and find this button in this block, then press and hold and drag to top, like this. And add this button here, click tap. Now when we add this button, tap your screen recorder, and here we got on the left side sound settings. So here now we got turn on microphone, and if we tap again, we mute our microphone. So tapping one more time and we activate our microphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.